Shakshi's
Shakshi's
box.
box.
Shakshi found
Shakshi found
a big box.
a big box.
She
She
opened it.
opened it.
There was
There was
a fairy
a fairy
and
and
some paints
some paints
in the
in the
box.
box.
Hello, Shakshi.
Hello, Shakshi.
Shall we
Shall we
do some
do some
painting?
painting?
Asked
Asked
the fairy.
the fairy.
She gave
She gave
Shakshi
Shakshi
a paintbrush.
a paintbrush.
First,
First,
they painted
they painted
with violet
with violet
and
and
indigo colors.
indigo colors.
Then
Then
they painted
they painted
with blue
with blue
and
and
green colors.
colors.
And then
And then
they painted
they painted
with
with
yellow,
yellow,
orange
orange,
and
and
red colors.
red colors.
Shakshi said,
Shakshi said,
"Look at
look at
our rainbows.
our rainbows.
Will your
Will your
parents
parents
like our
like our
rainbows?"
rainbows?
asked
Asked
the fairy.
the fairy.
Yes,
Yes,
said
said
Shakshi.
Shakshi.
My parents
My parents
will like
will like
our
our
rainbow
rainbow
pictures
pictures
and
and
will say
will say
you have
you have
made a
made a
beautiful
beautiful
painting.
painting.
The fairy
The fairy
smiled
smiled
and
and
hugged
hugged
Shakshi.
Shakshi.
Shakshi said
Shakshi said
goodbye
goodbye
to
to
the fairy.
the